Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a full page screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro. And to do this you'll need to open some app that allows you to scroll down. In this case let's use settings. Here press on the power key and hold it, along with a volume down key. Like this. Then press on the two arrows pointing down next to the screenshot. It should load your entire page. Let's try that again. So click on it until there's a full page scrollable right here. Select the screenshot and now you can see the full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.